Hey everyone, it's Mr. Friday.
Take me to Neverland.
Today, I got myself, I had this hood for a while. There you go. Look at that. Nice little hood. And so, I'm going to be painting this. So, I got a couple of paint, I got some paint. And so today I'm going to do a lot more, let's say, prep work. I'm going to sand it down, scuff it up, put some primer on, sand it down again, and then I think tomorrow I will be painting it. Another thing I'm going to be painting would be this whole thing. I want to try and make this car one full color again. Right, other than all this red, white, I forgot what color that is, but we're gonna paint that. Got a couple of paints here. So this one is a Napa color base coat. Has some paint left over. Got some more paint. Another pint ready to spray. I might need another can of 2K clear. I'm gonna be using my phone this whole time, so yeah, that's gonna be what we're gonna be doing this time around after a long hiatus of no videos. I've been traveling a lot lately with Toyota, some other with other manufacturers, so gonna really cut down on the traveling and really work on giving you some more content. So yeah, let's first things first, take the hood off. All right, here's first coat or second coat, and yeah, just kind of going through whatever I need right now. I'm not trying to make this the best because I'm gonna be painting it again, but this is just for the time being. So I want to get this at least kind of done right now. Got my 2K clear. Pretty sure it's kind of tacky right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to get clear coat it. Alright, so this is with my final coat of clear. Like I said, I'm not trying to be perfect out here right now. This is just to get at least the hood taken care of. All my paint has been used up, so this will be waiting maybe next week when I get some money. But I don't know if I should just do a single stage on this, make it quick and easy. But at least the hood is somewhat shiny. Next thing you know, I'm gonna let this fully dry for maybe 45 minutes or something, just to get it a little bit harder. And then I am going to put it on the MR2. Hopefully no one will ever mess with it for the whole day. But yeah, that's gonna be it for right now. Yeah, so looks good, looks better than it was. Looks better than white on a aquamarine pearl car. So in just a little bit, once it dries out, I'm gonna put it on the car. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so I just installed the hood on the car. Sorry for the shaky hands. I'm hungry. But yeah, here we go. Still kind of tacky, so I'm not going to do much. I just put the hood pins on, and I just need to do the front latch, but I don't want to touch it yet. Well, yeah, there it is. Once the hatches, or once the latch is down, it will definitely look a lot better. But yeah, there it is. At least it looks a little bit darker. That's okay. Looks a little darker because, like I said, this is just for the time being, and it'll get painted again soon. So, Mr. Friday Fleet, Mr. Friday. So one last thing, this was maybe 4 hours, a little bit of prep, got the paint down, shot it with 3 coats, and then I did two coats of that 2K prime, or 2K clear coat. So yeah, it's not the best, and I'm not claiming it to be best. So like I said, I just want it to be a little bit more one color, and yeah, quick and easy, not easy, but quick paint job just to get the job done. Build race car, doesn't need to look good staying static, it needs to look good at 100 miles an hour, right? So that's what I'm going for, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.
Take me to Neverland.